What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems to consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, owner of Modern Pro Polish here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so today on the tip and trick of the week, I urge you and encourage you to follow up with your clients. Follow up with your leads, your potential clients. The fortune is in the follow-up. This is something my mom's always said. This is something that a lot of motivational speakers might say. Just guys that I listen to throughout my day, they say that the fortune's in the follow-up, and I've never been one to like to follow up. I've always believed like, hey, we've spoken once, we talked for 30 minutes about what I do. If you want it, you'll really be back. I've never been big on chasing people, but I started to really implement that system into the business, and you'd be surprised at how many people forget about that 30-minute phone call and still really want the service done, or how many people are just shocked that you even followed up and they come through just because they're like, hey, this guy seems pretty legit. I'm just gonna deal with him just because he's good people. That's a concept that is hard to wrap your mind around, that people will spend their money with you, not even interested necessarily in the service, but they're interested in dealing with you as a person. So the fortune's in the follow-up. You never know who can come through one individual. You never know how many vehicles this one person might have in the garage. There may be a person who you don't even expect to have multiple vehicles. They might approach you as if they only have so much money to deal with one vehicle. And when you get this one vehicle done for them, they may say, hey, I've got 3 others for you. So always follow up with these people. These folks can literally pay your bills. One person can pay your bills, and it's all based on you following up on that phone call. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Go pick up the phone, go call those people. If you don't like cold calling, or if you don't like calling the leads that you do generate, we're gonna go over something soon that's gonna help you get comfortable getting on the phone and reaching out to the people who seem to want the services that you offer. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup. And today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.